Welcome back to our new session. In this session, I am going to explain you about KZ document. This is nothing but vendor payment. In SAP, totally 6 documents will be there. Like as I said before, SA general ledger document, KR is vendor invoice document, KZ is vendor payment document, and DR is customer invoice document. DZ is customer payment document. AA asset accounting document. And these 6 type of documents are main in SAP. Like majorly you will go through this 6 type of documents in SAP FICO. And in the assets also there are 2 types of assets, like tangible assets and intangible assets. Like it is like movable assets and immovable assets. So let's discuss this assets topic in another session. Okay, now let's go and do the KZ vendor payment document. In my previous videos I have done vendor invoice and general ledger document as well. Now let's do this KZ document. Okay, firstly let's log into SAP. Meanwhile, you guys keep on practicing each and every transaction for multiple times, so that it would give you a good practice. Okay, OBA7, hit enter, click on position, search for KZ document, double click, KZ vendor payment, number range is 15. You should give, I am giving all account types: assets, customer, vendor, material, GL account. And here I am giving customer and vendor checking also, and I am giving access to native posting permits also, and intercompany postings also I am giving access. So here you just go and give 001 current exchange rate. Okay, and click on the number range information, give the company code ABCT, hit enter, click on the intervals, and here you need to click on the plus or F6 button, give number 03, give the year as 2025, and here yesterday until we have given like 999. So today let's start from 1000 until 1499, hit enter. Okay, this data is saved automatically. So we can go back and we can verify once again. OBA7, hit enter, click on the position, KZ document, vendor payment, ABCT, hit enter. Here you can see this one is for SA document, this one is for KR document, this one is for KZ document. And one more thing, why we will give the number range like OBA7, KZ, and why should we give this number range information? This is what I want to say. Like number range information is nothing but it is easy to track each and every document which has been posting for each and every each and every document type. For each and every document type, the documents will be posted very easily within the number ranges. Okay, and you can retrieve the documents with the help of this number range as well. It is an year ending activity. For year ending and for year ending activity, this number range will be so useful. That is what the main purpose of number range, like it will arrange the documents in a serial manner, so that in the year end time it is easy to like um, it is easy to retrieve the documents in very easy format. Okay, I hope this has given you a clear view, and you can give you should create the document type KZ for today. Okay, that's all for this session, guys. Thank you, and please like this video and leave your comments if you have any doubts, and subscribe this channel for more upcoming sessions. Thank you, have a great day. Bye bye.